So I'm here at Birmingham, Alabama's first Tesla supercharging location. Now I'm charging my vehicle. These are version 2s, which that means they're old. You know, they're outdated. You see, you got the alls that are down. And they only max out at 150 kilowatts. And on top of that, if someone comes and pulls next to you, you got to share that power with them. Also, you got to pay to get in here to park. But I'm gonna tell you something that might sound kind of strange. You should absolutely come here and charge your vehicle. They got cinnamon rolls. Hey, it's McVern. Hey, listen, over the past couple of weeks, my channel has gotten, it's been outrageous on my channel. I've been literally getting roasted in the comment section of my last video, my previous video. But I've really been enjoying the interaction. I really enjoy the interaction with my subscribers, with my viewers, and it really doesn't bother me. So agree or disagree, listen, your opinion, it matters to me. So, I'll probably end up adding a link right here so you guys can, card. I'll add a little card right here. So you guys can probably check out that video that I'm talking about, and you can roast me, also if you want, because I've been getting hammered. But that being said, I'm just gonna calm it down a little bit today. I'm gonna calm it down, and I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. And what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm going to be highlighting Birmingham's first supercharging location. But wait, listen, I'm gonna also be taking you guys with me to surprise my wife. I'm gonna be grabbing her some sweets while I'm out here highlighting this particular supercharging spot. I'm gonna be grabbing her some sweets just to kind of, break up the monotony with, with what I'm doing or whatever. And I was gonna do it anyway. So I just decided to take you guys along with me. So while I'm getting some sweets, we're gonna see her reaction. So without further ado, let's have at it. So today we're at the Birmingham, Alabama pay to park Tesla supercharging location. Now this particular location is nestled in the Uptown District of Birmingham, Alabama. Now these are version 2 stalls. So these right here, they max out at like 150 kilowatts. And if someone pulls up next to you, you're probably gonna be sharing power. I ain't gonna say probably, you will be sharing power with that particular vehicle. And now people used to dread coming here. Since this was the only supercharging spot in Birmingham, people used to stop here, and these stalls, they would get packed up pretty quick. It would be like, because again, you see, it's only 8 stalls, so they get packed up pretty quick. And since the stalls were all occupied, they were sharing power. So you would have lines of cars just kind of waiting to charge their vehicle. Now, this place used to be an absolute nightmare. So, McVern, has anything changed? No. You still got the same crappy stalls. You still got the same crappy handles. You still got to pay to come in. So, why did you say this was an absolutely must to come charge your vehicle here? I'll tell you why. So, again, you're at the Uptown Birmingham pay to park spot. Don't let it scare you that it says it's pay to park, okay? Because what's going to happen is it's going to pop out this little ticket, and if you can see the little code on there. It's going to give you a little code, and once you finish charging, you pop the little code in, and the gate gonna come up, and you go on about your business. So don't let it, like I said, scare away because it's pay to park. If it just 150 kilowatts scare you, hey, go to the 250 one. But again, got a lot of things around that you can go to. So as you see, there's quite a bit of things to do around here in the Uptown, or the pay to park, the Tesla pay to park. There's 8 stalls. You've got a pickleball court if you want to play some pickleball. Back here, you can walk up here, walk your dog, and as I showed you, because of this right here, man, listen, Birmingham, Uptown area, when you charge at that particular charger, there is so much to do. I mean, so many eating spots. You got a coffee shop back there. You've got a chicken place that you can go to. Man, listen, you've got Texas de Brazil. You've got Cantina Laredo. You've got the Southern Kitchen Bar. You've got Capella Pizzeria. You got Mug Shots right there. You got Santos. You got Eugene's Hot Chicken. And you got KJ's Elegant Pastries, in which I'm getting ready to go in and grab my wife something sweet. Now, I'm here at K&J's Elegant Pastries and Creamery. Now, everybody knows that when my daughter comes down to visit from school, that she loves two places. Two places we're gonna go, it's our tradition. We're gonna go to Yo Mama's restaurant and we're gonna go to K&J's. So again, I'm getting ready to buy my wife some treats. It's a little cold out here, but I'm getting ready to buy her something sweet, and you guys are gonna go on this journey with me. You're gonna travel with me and see what her reaction is. So again, K&J's is up here. It's a black-owned restaurant nestled in the Uptown area. So when you go to your charger cars, hey, listen, you got to try this place right here. So I'm here at K&J's and I'm getting ready to order me some cinnamon rolls. As you all know, I'm gonna go and grab a couple of cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna send one to my wife and I'm gonna get one for myself to eat, and it's warmed up. So I'm getting my cinnamon rolls right now. Y'all see that right now.
You're trying to get it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm actually eating it here. Thank you. Ooh, I'm ready to eat this cinnamon roll. That's my little passion there.
Is this y'all's first time visiting with us?
Look at that thing, y'all.
Say yes? Okay. These are the shapes.
So I'm sitting here and I'm getting ready to dig into this particular cinnamon roll. That's why I got it. I'll send it so you can see this particular cinnamon roll. Look, I'm Butterfinger. Wow. Ooh. So I'm gonna dig in this thing.
And then we also have the K&J original, which is like vanilla ice cream, and it's got chocolate syrup, and it has a chocolate brownie and a chocolate chip cookie with cookies and cream on it.
Let me show you that again.
Yeah, but we also do like sundaes. You don't have to do a shake. Like I got a brownie
Oh my
sundae,
God.
I got just a regular
These
ice cream,
cinnamon rolls
and we have
are
different cookies.
the bomb. I love them.
Okay, if y'all want to share, that's what we want for sharing.
So guys, listen, I'm getting ready to surprise my wife with these cinnamon rolls, or with that cinnamon roll, her cinnamon roll. Shh, don't tell her I got another one, an extra one. That's for me. But I'm getting ready to surprise her with her cinnamon roll, and she has absolutely no idea that I'm getting ready to come up there. So I just want to see her reaction and just kind of see how she responds to me surprising her with the cinnamon roll. She absolutely loves these things. And the next time you see me, you'll probably see me in the parking lot. So let's kind of go be sneaking. Let's have at it. So guys, listen, I'm here in the parking lot. Now, again, she has absolutely no idea that I'm out here. So I'm getting ready to give her a call and tell her to come out. Shh, it's a secret. We're gonna see how she reacts.
Hello, darling.
Hey, baby.
How are you?
I'm good.
I've been waiting on this call all day.
You been waiting on my call all day?
Yes, because you haven't talked to your wife all day long.
All day long, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm in
I
trouble,
had
huh?
to. Yeah, you are in trouble, sir.
Well, since I'm in trouble, you need to come outside then.
What? It's cold out there.
It's cold. You ain't gotta stay out here. You ain't gotta stay out long.
Okay, okay.
Bye.
I'll be back. I'll be out there in a minute. Okay, bye.
Bye. There she go, y'all. Hey, boo.
My boyfriend came. You brought me stuff. I'm finna go home. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like surprises.
So as y'all saw, I got me some brownie points on top of that. So as I'm leaving, what's my final thought? What's my final thought? Well, my final thought is this right here. That everything ain't bad. We ain't always got to look at everything as a negative. Yes, these are 150 kilowatt stalls. Yes, they are, not 250. They're not version 4s. Yes, if somebody gets on the stall next to you, your charging speed slows down. But guess what? You got somewhere to eat. You got somewhere if you want to grab a cup of coffee. If you want to grab something sweet. You got places that you can go. So again, everything ain't got to have this negative spin on it. I know a lot of times we get in these, these modes where we got to I got to go. And there are some times where you have to, you got to just pop in, get some juice and, we'll get some charge for those who don't understand the lingo, the EV lingo, get you some charge and you got to get out of there because you got places to go. But just say for instance, you're on a road trip. Listen, plan ahead of time. Look at the navigation, see what's around, plan accordingly. I knew I was going to go to that particular spot. I'm going to make sure, hey, this is where we're getting ready to eat lunch or this is where we're going to eat some dinner. Or we're just going to walk the dog or something like that. So that being said, guys, that's it. Now, do you guys remember that particular video that I was talking about in the beginning where everybody was clowning me? Everybody was roasting me. It's right here. Click on this link right here. And if you want to learn more about the Birmingham, Alabama Tesla infrastructure, then click this link right here. There's some good information that you can just watch. So that's it, guys. Listen, I'll see you guys on the next video.